Selling art prints sounds like a great idea. I mean, more income, less pressure to sell original paintings, but how do you know when it's time, when you're ready to start making art prints? And that's what I want to go over in this video. I'm going to share some of the signs that you are ready, and then some red flags that means that you might want to wait and make art prints after you've made a little bit more work first. First thing is you've developed a consistent style. This means that you have a series of works that you could make into prints that look like they go together. Now, if your work is all over the place, you've made one abstract painting, one landscape, one animal painting, one portrait of a person, maybe one artwork that's more conceptual in nature. If you have work like that, it's most likely that you need to wait on making prints. It's better if you have 5 or 6 landscapes or 5 or 6 animal paintings, something like that to get started. So you can have a small collection of prints with a similar niche, a similar subject matter. Next sign that you are ready to start making art prints is if you are having requests from customers for art prints. Are you selling some of your paintings at outdoor art shows or maybe online, and then you notice customers time and time again, especially for a particular painting, they're asking you if you have prints? If this is happening, then immediately you want to start making prints because you will be able to monetize that very easily since you have a demand for it. Likewise, do you have a few pieces that you know you could sell time and time again if you had enough copies of them? If this is the case, then this is a clear sign that you want to make art prints. Now, on the other hand, if you're making a lot of work and then no one's buying it, no one seems to be interested at all, not even friends or family, then making those pieces into art prints might not be the best use of your time. It might be better to try to figure out how you can improve your work to begin with before you decide to make copies of it. Because ultimately, what you want to do when you're making art prints is make prints of something that you think is going to have a good chance of selling. And the better chance it has of selling, then the more you should probably start making prints of it. Another sign that it's time to start making prints is if you want to make your work more affordable and more accessible to a larger customer base. Let's say you have pieces like originals that are in the $2,000 or $3,000 range, and you notice that it's hard to sell them, especially in the economy as it is going on right now. Then creating prints is going to be a very easy way to make your work more affordable for budget-minded shoppers. Also, if you're thinking about selling your work at any in-person event, especially if it's an art fair or craft fair, even like an art market, farmer's market, anything like that, having affordable work is super important because most people, especially when they're thinking about an impulse buy at an art fair, they aren't willing to throw down $2,000 for a painting. Oftentimes, they're more likely willing to buy something in the $20 or $30 range, especially if it's the first piece they've bought from you. So because of this, having art prints is such a good idea. So if you're going to be selling in person, then it's also an indicator that you should probably have at least a few art prints available. Now, you don't have to make art prints of everything, but pick those pieces out of your collection that you know customers really love and make art prints of them. And I think this goes without saying, but even if you're not ready to make art prints yet, it's a good idea to take high quality photos of all the artwork that you create because you can use them to apply to art shows later on or make prints of them later in the future when you're ready to start selling art prints. And so if you want to learn how to photograph your work, check out this video for DSLR cameras and this video for photographing artwork with your phone. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.